Unraveling the Mystery, Clouds in My Coffee. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English. One phrase that often puzzles learners is, clouds in my coffee. It's a vivid metaphor that captures more than meets the eye. Let's embark on a journey to understand its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. The phrase, clouds in my coffee, famously comes from the song, You're So Vain, by Carly Simon. In the song, this metaphor is used to describe the singer's turbulent emotions and reflections on a past relationship. The imagery of clouds reflected in a cup of coffee suggests a moment of introspection, where the swirling patterns resemble the confusing, often shifting feelings one experiences. At its core, clouds in my coffee symbolizes confusion or disillusionment. It's about looking down at your coffee, expecting to see a clear reflection, and instead seeing something distorted by the clouds. This can be a powerful metaphor for moments in life when things aren't as clear-cut as we hoped, mirroring the complexity of our emotions and the situations we find ourselves in. While it originated from a song, Clouds in My Coffee can be used in everyday language to express a state of confusion or a period of reflection on uncertain matters. For example, if someone is feeling unsure about their future path, they might say, "Lately, I've been seeing clouds in my coffee." It's a poetic way of sharing one's feelings of uncertainty or contemplation. Understanding idioms like clouds in my coffee can enrich your English learning journey, offering deeper insights into the nuances of the language. This phrase, with its roots in music, encapsulates the complexity of human emotions and the beauty of expressing them through metaphor. We hope this exploration adds a new layer to your appreciation of English and encourages you to find your own clouds in your coffee moments of reflection. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!